Hello, now I start my seminar presentation. At first, I want to talk about the pitch of my project. This project is a short video which tells a story about James, and it aims to call on young people to open up their hearts, share their feelings with their family and friends, and don't reject others' concern and immerse themselves in sadness and loneliness. And I want to show the examples of the materials, technicals, and the sound sources. This part, the materials comes from the Kyle Thompson's photography. The effect looks like that. The key technical in this part is I used the roto brush to cut out the smoke, and then I used the paper pin and transparency to make the move effect on the smoke. And in this part, I want to take some photo by myself in the next step. So here is just the examples, and I researched online. The key technical is the 3D camera, rotoscoping, wave wipe, and glue. Effect looks like that. And I used the 3D camera to move the background, and then I would make some rotoscoping and glow effects on people, and also the wave wrap and liquefied to make the liquid effect on the hair, river, trees, and leaves, something like that. In this part, the material comes from the Naruto anime, and it calls its name is the Copy Wheel Eye. The effect looks like that. The key technical is the transparency and the graph editor. And then I want to show the sound sources. It's a sleep breathing. It's unshuttled. And this is the negative emotion. And it's a kind of music. And it's the crowd. It's the leaf and raining. And it's a positive emotion music. And then I want to show some examples of theme, style, technical, and in films or video that are significant influence of my project. The first is the montage, which is called the Kuleshov effect. And we can see that this video shows that just change the screen and the emotion of people will look different. It's one of the most famous montage type. And it's the second effect, and this part comes from the Harry Potter's film, and the key technical is the enable time remapping. And in this part, the similar is I will use the similar way to move the memory and time back with a magic music, but the difference is the reverse speed in my project will be slower, and in the film, two kids don't move in the film, but in my project, everything will be moved and reversed. It's similar like that. And it's the last effect. It calls zoom into eye effect. This part comes from the film Now You See Me, and the key technical in this part is the transparency and the layers. We can see that there's a cool effect to change the scene from eye. The similar I will use is is using eyes as the tunnel and using the transparency, scale, and layers to create a layer effect. But the difference is the speed in my project will be faster and the effect will be different. and I will using the crowdflying as the effect instead of the light in the film. The crowdflying is like that. And then I want to talk about some key technicals. The first is the pepper pin.
Hey guys, this is Tobias.
In my
Welcome
project,
to another
I will
very
use pepper
exciting
pin to
visual
mix a
effects
lot of the
tutorial.
move
In today's
effects.
tutorial, we will look at the very useful tool available to you in Adobe After Effects.
And the next technical is the 3D camera. I'll use the 3D camera to make the background move and to make some wonderful and just and great effect. And the next I will talk about the wave wipe and the liquefied. And I will also use this technical a lot in my project.
Hey everyone, welcome back to
some
Keyframe,
move
and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create this
leaves,
wave
trees,
liquid effect
like
inside of a glass. So we're gonna jump.
And then I want to show my visual experiment and test. And this test is not necessarily the final version of the final project. Something of it can be improved. And here is my reference. Thank you very much.